When you want the softness and style of curtains, but need the versatility of blinds, Veri Shades are the answer you have been looking for. On-trend elegance meets practical modern living. A clever concept in window furnishings. With Veri Shades, you are in control. Turned one way, the opaque fabric provides privacy and light blocking. Turned the other way, and the transparent mesh fabric lets more light through. Turn halfway for filtered light, or draw the shades right back like a curtain for full sunlight. With no cords, weights, or connecting chains, Veri Shades are safe for kids and pets, and are silent even in a breeze. You can walk through the shades anywhere, regardless of whether they are open or closed. Indoor-outdoor flow takes on a whole new meaning, with spans of up to 5.7 metres. The soft, easy care fabric is resistant to fading and soiling, while providing 50+ UV protection for your home. Available in a range of gorgeous tones, Veri Shades can complement or bring to life your interior design, providing you with the perfect window covering solution. Introducing the future. Introducing Veri Shades.